Best deals.
1. Backpack. Crafted from high-quality water-resistant material for durability and protection. Features 2 quick access pockets in the front, and 2 dedicated compartments for your tech and daily essentials. Front bucket compartment comes with slip pockets, pen pockets and a spill-proof pocket for your toiletries. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Backpack. Has front bucket pocket, slip pockets, zippered pocket, flat opening tech compartment, pockets to store all your tech accessories, padded laptop compartment with lock strap, fits up to a 15.6 inches laptop in transit backpack. It's unisex premium water-resistant nylon backpack. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Backpack. It's an edgy mix of fashionable details and practical usability. This backpack is made to accompany you on any adventure, fully equipped with a water-repellent exterior, contra zippers, reflective pullers and adjustable shoulder straps. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Backpack. Crafted with premium microfiber material and contrasting lining for a sophisticated look. Casual yet professional, versatile yet simple, dual density foam in both the back panel and shoulder straps gives you great stability and impressive softness. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Backpack. Combination of functional and safety features in stylish design, soft mesh back with 8mm foam padded 2 main compartment, 1 slip-in pocket inside the bag, printed design, mesh bottle holder on the side. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Backpack. With a slim, sleek and compact design, you will love how this backpack can look small and compact even though it has 2 spacious compartments to store your gadgets, books, keys and even a water bottle. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Backpack. Easy access lunchbox section with a dedicated compartment in the backpack. It's designed for quick retrieval without opening the entire bag, and it comes with a tiffin bag and 2 high-quality airtight containers. The front pocket has a special organizer to neatly store your documents and accessories. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Backpack. Can connect your own power bank to the internal cable inside the USB backpack, then plug your phone's own charging cable into the outside USB port to charge your phone. This provides convenience when charging your phone or listening to music while you are traveling or walking to work. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Backpack. Backpack has a front zipper pocket for the ID card, sanitizer, house keys, pen. First compartment with pockets for the earphones, pens, notebook. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Backpack. 2 main compartments, 2 additional front pocket and 2 bottle pocket. Padded cushion back panel and easily adjustable padded shoulder straps with anti-sweat fabric underneath. Grab handle and padded laptop sleeve with elastic tape. It's water resistant and durable, ensures longevity and durability for long time of use. Comfortable soft padded back design with ventilated padding and great back support. Breathable and adjustable shoulder straps relieve the stress of shoulder. Foam padded top handle comfortable to carry. Large backpack for business work bag, spacious college backpack. For international travel, camping, hiking and overnight trip. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Backpack. 3 modes can be converted freely, the shoulder strap can be hidden, and there is a thickness handle at the side of the backpack, so it can be used as a handbag. The trolley bag strap secures the bag to the trolley case, making you comfortable on the travel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Backpack. Durable metal zippers, protects wallet and other items inside from thief and offers a private space, so you never have to worry about someone stealing your laptop, iPad, business file, homework and anything value. Keep you a nice peace of mind. Durable metal zippers close and open smoothly. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Leather backpack. Suitable for mountaineering, outdoor sports, hiking, overnight camping or business trip. Where it is leather school bag, day pack, adventure bag, luggage backpack. Backpack is made of high quality genuine leather for long lasting quality and high fashion appeal. perfect for professionals who value both, with a padded laptop compartment that can fit laptops up to 16.1 inches. This backpack offers extra protection for your device during daily commutes or travel, ensuring peace of mind and convenience. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Backpack. Lightweight and spacious laptop backpack with 2 compartments and 1 front easy access pocket. One compartment is for carrying laptop inside with padding for safety and space for laptop accessories like charger, etc. Other compartment has organizer for pens, visiting cards, along with space for carrying papers, files. It has provision for holding bottles on both sides and has padded shoulder straps for your comfort. Backpack is one such multipurpose bag created with extra large compartments and pockets to organize every big and small accessory. Made of lightweight polyester, it is durable, waterproof and easy to carry. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Backpack. Has adjustable anti-sweat padded shoulder straps. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Backpack. Made of high-grade water-resistant poo-coated polyester material that gives it strength and makes it durable for long-term use. It features a zippered well-padded laptop compartment that fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop. Middle compartment is big enough to hold your office or daily use belongings. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bag. Backpack is made of good quality polyester, which makes it extremely durable and ideal for long-term use. Aside from travel, it can be used as a weekend bag or a training bag. It's a dependable, sturdy backpack for a quick trip or vacation. Straps can be adjusted to the user's needs, and good zippers make it simple to frequently take things out and keep them. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Backpack. Comes with a high-quality lock on the main compartment to avoid theft of the contents of your bag. Ensure secure storage of valuables in the pocket. There is a thick handle, and the shoulder strap can be hidden fully, so can be carried by hand. It's expandable, super capacity and breathable, thick back and shoulder strap for travel. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Backpack. Has a front storage pocket that keeps small items neatly organized and easy to access. Fancy and stylish backpacks have mesh pockets on both sides to accommodate your water bottle and umbrella. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Backpack. There are 2 zippered pockets and 2 side pockets, 1 main pocket and 1 hidden front pocket to organize your laptop, books, iPad, lunchbox and other office or school essentials. Product link is given in the 20th link. Thanks for watching.